What makes Flemings unique is that I am your personal coach. I have 36 years of experience teaching students how to excel on their law school exams, the California first year law exam, and the bar examination. We have individual attorneys on staff who can work with you and answer any questions you may have regarding the Flemings products. We have top experienced graders, all have passed the California bar examination. We also have tutors available on Skype. All of our products are affordable compared to your law school tuition. In fact, normal ABA tuition is over $50,000 per year. I would like you to visit our website for detailed testimonials from our students. I think you'll find the results speak for themselves. I'm very proud of our students' success in law school, the baby bar, and the bar examination. Our contact information is as follows. Please visit our website at www.lawprepare.com. Our email address is info@ffol.com. Please remember there are three kinds of law students: those who make it happen, those who watch it happen, and those who walk out of their exam and say, "What the heck just happened?" We look forward to working with you to make it happen. I wish you the very best of luck on your law school career. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.